Today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 top products and product categories that you need to sell to make $100,000 in profit in 2019. Let's go in my computer and find out. All right, so just a little bit of proof, right? Today the sales are $1,835. Profit from that is around $900 to $800, so about $1,000 in profit for today once the day is over. So in a year, that'll be $365,000. I'm going to show you the exact products we're selling and the exact products you should sell if you want to do these numbers consistently. So 3 products to sell to make $100,000 in profit in 2019. We're going to go over a little bit of why they work, why they're easy to market and easy for a beginner, intermediate, advanced, whatever person gets into these products, why they're easy to sell, and how to actually sell them, right? So why they work. They're premium quality and they have a branded feel to them. You'll see when I show you the products, they have like a brand feel. When you see them and you potentially want to buy them, they have that brand feel. They have that like brand loyalty feel that you normally don't get with like general random trendy products. The second thing is they're easy to market through Google and Facebook, and I'm going to show you exactly why they're easy to market and in what ways you can market them. And then the third one is they have strong upsell and cross-sell potential, and they also have high ticket potential. So you can essentially sell them a very, very high ticket product starting off with that low ticket that you have now, right? So these products are low ticket to medium ticket all the way up to about $100. They can range over to $200, but they're starting at like $10 or $20. So they have a potential to also be high ticket, but a potential to be low ticket depending on how you promote them and how you sell them. So how to actually market them, we're going to go over the products. These are the top 3 products, and I'm going to go over each and every one, and I'm going to go over a store that is promoting them profitably and a store that is doing a lot of money with these products, each and every single one of them. So the first one is, as you can see, aromatherapy, right? Why does aromatherapy work so well and why are people buying these types of products? Is because it's a very passion niche, and the people that are into it spend a lot of money on these products. Like these diffusers, I remember one of the first products that I ever sold in dropshipping was these diffusers, these essential oil that they essentially put oil all over your house, and that nice smell over your apartment or house. These are essentially one of the top products to sell. One, because as I just said, I'm going to scroll up here. As I just said, they're premium quality. They have that branded feel. Even if you're just a complete beginner or somebody that just set up a Shopify store, you can make them feel branded and very high quality. They also are easy to market because on Facebook you can target aromatherapy. You can target aromatherapy brands like Young Living Essentials. I used to target all these brands, and it's quite easy to actually target people that are into aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is an interest on Facebook, so it's really easy to just sell these products to pretty much everybody interested in that. And if they're interested in that, they're definitely interested in these types of products. So you can see there's a lot of categories and a lot of products to sell in this niche. Like for example here, you have a lot of nebulizing diffusers, which is they just like smoke up the whole room. Then you have these fancy diffusers, and then you have other products like laser engraved diffusers, color diffusers, and then the essential oils. And just to prove that this niche is profitable, let's say how much they're making. So they're raking in about 321,000 in traffic. This is using SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is a tool that lets you know how much traffic, from where that traffic is coming from, everything about a website, the bounce rate, page views, categories, everything. Literally everything about a website lets you know. And what I like to do is half that. So 321,000, as you can see in my store that I just showed you, it was $1,800. So let me pull that up really quickly. So my store actually, we are at $1,835 with $1,536. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. And usually with these big brands, that 1-to-1 ratio stays or up to half. So up, down to half. So from half of that to all the way to 1-to-1 ratio. So this company is making all the way from $150,000 all the way to $300,000 every single month selling these products. So when I say that it's a good niche to sell, it's a good niche to sell. The Shopify website, it's a very well-built website. And you can give that branded feel even if you're not a brand, just by selling these kinds of products. So the second one is premium baby products, right? Like strollers, anything that has to do with like premium baby or parenting products. Parents tend to buy a lot of products for the kids, and they don't really care about the price, honestly. Like most parents, they'll buy something premium for their children, even if it's super expensive, because they want the best for their kids. Remember, your parents, they probably want the best for you. They'll buy anything to make you happy, especially at that tender age when you're like 1 year old or less than a year old, 2 to 3 years old. So this is definitely a niche that I recommend for people that have a little bit of experience in Shopify, have a little bit of experience with Facebook ads, with Google ads. You can absolutely crush it with products like this, like strollers. As you can see, there's other like bedding, nursing, bath, health, basically anything baby or toddler related. Like this website, it's called Bye Bye Baby. And as you can see, SimilarWeb rakes in about $3 million per month, right? That'll be about $3 million or $1.5 million every single month. It's a huge store, it's a huge niche, and it's a very, very profitable niche that can also be made high ticket. So it can also be like made that you can sell some of these strollers, like some of these double strollers, they sell for like $400, $700, even $1,000. Some of these like $500, $400. These products sell really, really high, and it's easy to give them that branded feeling. It's easy to promote them through Google Ads. When parents are searching for a stroller or a luxury stroller, premium stroller, they want that product. They're gonna buy that product through Google, so it's definitely easy to market it through Google. Now the third one is there's surfboards here, but I want to touch outdoor gear in general. Outdoor gear is a great way to dominate Google, and it's not a niche that many people get into. Many people, they stay away from outdoor gear just because they think it's difficult, there's not enough people, there's like big brands, but it's good that there's not that much competition. And it's products that when people are interested in this niche, they will buy a lot and a lot and a lot from it. So for example, surfboards, people that are actively surfing and surf a lot, they will buy surfboards constantly. They will constantly buy surfboards, one after the other. And there's also obviously snowboarding, wakeboarding, biking. Mountain bikes are an extremely profitable niche. I have one of my students selling products for cycling. He makes about $50,000 to $60,000 right now a month. Definitely very profitable. And just to show you some proof, SimilarWeb, 3.8 million visits per month, making that about 1.5 million all the way up to $4 million in revenue from this niche. Now, these are the top 3 niches, the top 3 types of products that I recommend you to sell. I know I made another video recommending other 3, but this is going more in depth into why they work, examples on how they work, and essentially some of the categories that work the best. But the most important thing, and why you should stay until the end, is how to actually sell these products. So, before we go into it, if you want a special module that I made on finding products and finding winning niches, all you have to do is comment secrets down below. Comment secrets. This is the 7-figure secrets brand. So comment secrets down below and I'll send you that module that I made it only for my inner circle. But if you comment secrets, I'll send you that winning product, winning niche module right now. All right. So how to actually market these types of products. The first thing is Google shopping ads with very specific keywords. So what you can do is, for example, in the aromatherapy one, premium oil diffuser or oil diffuser for home, right? Products like that, keywords like that are very, very specific and keywords that when people search for them, they want to buy them. I call them high intent keywords. You want to focus on those, and it's very easy to sell these products through Google shopping ads. If you want to learn about Google shopping, I have a video on that here on the channel. Facebook ads, second thing is targeting brands. For example, in the outdoor gear one, there's high-end brands like REA, Arc'teryx, other brands about outdoor that are very, very strong in the market. And people that like them, they like outdoor gear. Timberland, people that like those brands, they like outdoor gear, they like outdoors, they like hiking, they like these types of products. Behaviors, for the parenting niche, you can target parents, specific ages, 1 to 3 years old, 2 to 3 years old, 3 to 5, literally anything you want, you can target with behaviors. And then for the outdoor gear as well, and also for the parents, and depending on what kind of product it is, if it's a warm product or a cold weather product, this is more for the outdoor one. Like if you're selling surfboards, you want to do that in the coast. So you can do like California, Texas, Florida, all the way up to like New York, places where people surf. You want to target those regions, and it's very easy to target those regions, right? It's easier to sell these products than selling whatever trendy or whatever random product there is, because one, competition is lower, right? There's not that many people doing them, and two, it's like you can dominate the market. If you figure out how to sell one of these niches or one of these types of products, or you find niches and find products that are this ones, remember, comment secrets down below for that. But like, if you find products like that, you will succeed and you will beat everybody else that's just doing random stuff. Like, I love you guys. I love my subscribers. I care for you, and I know, and I want you to be successful. I don't want you to just target whatever product, copy someone else, put a random video. I want you to truly make money with dropshipping. And how you do it is you find a unique product and a unique way to market it. That's literally all that it takes. Testing products, finding a unique market, a unique product, and a unique way to sell it. And you'll kill it. You absolutely kill it. I know that you guys have the potential to kill it, and you're watching this video, so that gives me some hope for you guys and for dropshipping in general. They also, I want to go a bit down into the strong upsell and cross-sell potential. So how you market and how you test some of these products is by starting out with a low-ticket one. Let's say you want to sell like a surfboard. Then you might sell a surfing accessory as the first front end, and then the surfboard as the upsell. So the upsell and cross-sell, as well as retargeting already bought things or people that add to cart on a surfing accessory, you can target them with a surfboard. That's called a cross-sell or a cross-upsell, right? So essentially, you have so much potential in these niches, especially like aromatherapy. You can cross-sell from essential oils. You sell them oils, cross-sell with essential oil diffuser, or the same thing. You can upsell diffuser to essential oils or upsell oils to diffuser. Do the same thing with baby products. You can upsell, let's say it's like a crib, a high-ticket crib. You can upsell a stroller. Or if it's like just some baby accessory, a baby bottle, you can upsell the stroller. So there's a lot of things that you can upsell and cross-sell in this case for these types of products, and why I recommend them so much. But yeah, guys, these are the top ones that I recommend you do. I definitely think that if you guys try some of these, you can make $100,000 in profit this year. If you have any other questions, please drop them down in the comments below. And if you want to watch how I made $12,000 in a single day, the video is right there in this little box. It'll appear right there, $12,000 in a day, full step-by-step breakdown. Subscribe to this channel, like this video if you liked it, join my Facebook group, and let's crush it. I love you guys. Let's crush 2019. Let's make some money, and let's grow. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.